fantastic Philly steak, great menu, good pizza, cheese whiz. That makes it for sure.
Well, I like their hoagies also. I like the one with the pizza sauce in it. It's inexpensive as well.
And they're talking about Corleones. And if you love Philly cheesesteak sandwiches or pizza, you're going to love this fabulous Smart Shopper deal of the day because it's half off the entire menu at all 4 Valley locations. Check this out. This Philly cheesesteak sandwich normally would cost you $8.99. It's huge, but you'll get half off that price. Or how about an 18-inch pepperoni pizza? Normally $13.99, half off of that. So a great deal of the day for Smart Shoppers. And they also have one of my favorite items in the world, soft dough pretzels. Normally $1.25. You're going to pay half off of that price. Now, this deal does exclude their everyday daily specials, and also it does exclude delivery. So you can dine in or take out. And it is a limit on the pizza. It's 1 pizza per Smart Shopper card holder. It's all a great deal. I'll have the 4 Valley locations and where you can get your free fabulous Smart Shopper card posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/Smart Shopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.